By Indiatoday.in, May 8, 2017. Humans' bid to colonize Mars has just got another impetus from scientists, who have made a new form of concrete using Martian or lunar soil and animal proteins. According to Stanford and NASA scientists, this new form of concrete may allow future astronauts to build colonies on Mars and the Moon. Why do we need special type of concrete on the Moon or Mars? Both Mars and the Moon are constantly bombarded with both lethal radiation and micrometeorites that would quickly punch holes into any ordinary structure. Also, to build establishment there, thousands of tons of concrete would be required. Since it won't be practically possible to ship such huge quantities of cement from Earth to Mars, the best way forward would be to start making it in space itself. Why use animal protein for making concrete? Scientists used animal protein as making Earth-style concrete requires tremendous amounts of heat and energy, which would be very short supply for first human outposts on Mars. To resolve the issue, researchers used animal protein to make a promising form of concrete that could solve problems on Mars as well as Earth. Living organisms use proteins to make things as tough as shells, bones and teeth, so the researchers including David Loftus from NASA's Ames Research Center and Michael Lepek from Stanford University in the U.S. began working on a concrete, which would bind together with a protein from bovine blood. The protein is a fairly cheap byproduct of slaughterhouses, and it is known to become very gluey when mixed with soil. To replicate the conditions on Mars and the Moon, researchers combined the protein with simulated extraterrestrial soils that are similar to what is on Mars and the Moon, according to PTI. The first batch was as strong as the concrete used for sidewalks and patios, which was a good start. The concrete also held up well to a simulated bombardment of micrometeorites, which the researchers replicated by taking the